up here. I would like to thank all of them, my coaches and the trainers and the physios at the academy who have over the years worked relentlessly hard to support this cause, without whom this wouldn't have been possible at all. I think would like to thank all my coaches for all the uh, physios, the support staff, all of them have the fantastic work they have given. All my friends, my 10K friends also included, for being still my friends after me not picking up their calls, not coming for the parties in the last few months. I think I've been rude with all my friends, but I wish the Olympic medal should excuse me from that. My family, whose support has been fantastic, and all my players. I think Saina, of course, has been fantastic. Thank you, Saina, for the medal. I think as a coach, there's one thing, but as a fan of sport, as a person who's played the sport, I think this achievement is done wonders for the entire country, and I hope that we move from strength to strength here. The young talents here, Sindhu for the Asian Championships, Kashyap, who's been the Arjun Award and who did fantastically well at the Olympics, and all the other players of the academy who have a great future, and I wish that in the years to come we get more and more medals for the country. And for all of you who've been from the press media who've been supporting the academy, I think thank you very much. Without all of your support, I think this effort wouldn't have been possible. Would like to say it's been great coming back. It's great meeting all of you here, and thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Chamundi, for the excellent honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopi. We all do strongly believe that this is only the beginning, and then the performance goes on, and then it definitely calls for more medals, especially in badminton, as years roll by. We wish you good luck. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Tendulkar. I don't know if there's anyone would be there in the country who wouldn't know this name, who is not familiar with this name. And then he is the cricketing god. He is a sincere dedication, discipline, and determination personified is Sachin Tendulkar. He has gone through so many stages, and the only way that he has answered all that was with his bat and also with his performance on the cricket field. He has been a source of inspiration for many, many in the country, and so humble he has been all through. And even now in front of us, he displayed the same quality of being humble. He is the chief guest here, and he takes the seat in the end of the row. Sachin, we're very happy to have you here with us, and we request you to talk. And the special request again is that you are known for your long innings, and we also like to listen to you for long. Please.
I only do that when there is a cricket bat in my hand.
Yeah.
Anyways, since you've got me started, honestly, I've not prepared a speech. I'm just going to speak this evening, not longer than 2-3 minutes, but all my observations about this champion pair, Gopi and Saina. I think, I'm glad, first of all, that I could be here to congratulate you personally. This medal for India means a lot, and I'm sure this medal has not come without dedication, without hard work, determination, focus, and having vision. And to top it all, to be able to execute, whatever. There are so many players who can impress you during practice sessions and all that, but when it comes to big tournaments, there are not many players who can go out there and put up a big performance. So a big congratulations to you for making all of us feel proud. And also I want to take this opportunity. The other champions of our nation, the medal winners, are not here, but I'm sure if I congratulate them, somewhere they will get to hear between various functions and felicitations that they've been attending. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to congratulate all the medal winners. It's been terrific for India. They've made all of us proud, and the tricolor is really flying high. You deserve all the praise, all the good things which are coming your way. You thoroughly deserve them. And to again, Saina's father, who keeps messaging me every now and then to congratulate me. Again, it's my turn to congratulate you for all your hard work and all the sacrifices that you have made. Because I feel Saina is representing many of us. She has a strong team behind her. For an individual, it is difficult to go out and achieve what she's been able to achieve. She's had a wonderful coach. She has a beautiful family who've supported her, who've guided her, because at this level, good direction is needed. Without good direction, where your energy could be focused, she's been able to win this because the rest of the guys have taken all the pressures away from her, so that she could be focused on badminton and nothing else. Whatever I've seen of her, there are no dramas. It's just quality badminton, and that is what you expect from a sports person. After winning, also, you see, she's not got carried away. And that is the beauty of being a champion sports person. I'm sure she's happy, but she's not satisfied. We are not satisfied because we know that you can go greater heights, and you have that ability with Gopi's guidance. There are better days ahead, and as a sports person, you always like to believe that your best is yet to come, and I'm quite confident that your best is yet to come. You'll bring more smiles across the world, and that is what we want. But again, I can say that a couple of my close friends have been instrumental in helping Saina in her earlier days. Chamud is sitting next to me. The other one is Nimagada Prasad, who's contributed massive amount when nobody was stepping forward in helping you to build your academy. Because for a sports person, the foundation is important, and foundation is laid in those academies where, as a child, you go and spend number of hours just because of the passion for badminton. And if that academy wasn't there for her to practice, things would have been different. So a big thank you to both of them for their contribution. And finally, all the friends and family members are sitting here. Big congratulations to you. Without your support and encouragement, she wouldn't have reached here. So I again want to take this opportunity to congratulate you. And there's a future badminton player here, Sindhu. Big congratulations to you as well. I think that's excellent performance from you, and in time to come, more people will gather to support you and appreciate your performance. You've been fantastic just now. Keep going strong. We all look forward to better days. Now, good wishes are with you. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity to be here and then present the car keys. Thank you so much.
Chamu. That is Sachin. The way he said, the best is yet to come, gives lots of promise and lots of hope and lots of expectations from Saina. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Sachin and Chamundi giving away the car BMW, to Saina Nehwal, the Olympic bronze medalist, the only one in the country, and for the first time. Saina, happy riding. You cannot ask for a better person to give the car keys to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request Mr. K. Sudhir Rao and K. Suhan Rao to join Sachin and Chamundi at the car. And now, ladies and gentlemen, P.V. Sindhu, a 17-year-old, 5 feet 11 and a half inches. She won the Indonesian International Challenge. She also was the winner of the Maldives International Challenge. She also was the winner for Swiss Open and Dutch Open. She was the runner-up. Youngest to have won the national championship and also youngest to have won the Under-19 Asian Championship recently at Korea. This is P.V. Sindhu. Her parents are volleyball players of international repute, an Arjuna Award winner himself, her father, and mother also has been a national player. Thank you. In the next Olympics at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, a strong contender, Sindhu, probably would be telling Saina to be on the victory stand. Didi, go up, I am there behind you. So we will have a couple of other medals, besides of course, come on. Oh. And now ladies and gentlemen, I request Mr. Sunil, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Mr. Ranga Reddy, Mr. Trilok, Mr. C. Krishna Prasad, Mr. Fani, and D. Suresh Babu to kindly go over to present the car Elantra to Gopi Chand. Mr. K. Ram Mohan Rao.